Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 E350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has an LED illuminated star on the grille, AMG exterior package with 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. Black MB text interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, E350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, comfort box for extra storage, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, LED logo when you open the door, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, wireless charging, USB port, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 6,457 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this certified pre-owned 2020 E350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.